Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Today I got another Nitro RC unboxing. This is the VRX XR4, but the model number is the RH1029. I did some research between the 1029 versus the 1030. You'll see there's an N1 versus N2. I believe the difference is that the 1030 is a 2-speed, but regardless, it's not available, at least where I am. This is the only one model that was available. So I picked this up from Sterling Kits. Package came great as usual, and you can see in all my other unboxings from them. Super pleased. Got a discount code on it, 13% off. The Black Friday one, it's still working, and super happy with how this came in. Really excited because it's a rally car, and I almost picked up the brushless version of this, but I was glad that I ended up getting the Nitro. But let me go ahead and open this up. So the great thing about this is when I ordered it, the seller contacted me and actually let me know that there were two bodies available. There was an orange one and a black and red one. But anyways, the manual that it comes with, it's the FlySky GT2 receiver, binding plug, and antenna cable. And then just the spare parts catalog, the different models, the brushless, yep, single speed versus 2-speed. Sorry if I didn't get that good shot in there, but there it is, antenna, bind plug. But yeah, 4 versions available in the rally car. Overseas, this is, I think in Europe, the VRX brand is also known as FTX. Let me give you a better shot. FTX, I believe this is the Hooligan. Their short course truck, the FTX Zorro. Over here we have it as the RH1045. I have the brushless version. I'm debating on the Nitro version, but I'm having a blast with these. But you can see, so she gave me 2 options. I went with the black and red option, just because I saw that AliExpress had the orange body available. So if I ever wanted to pick that up, I could. But let's go ahead and open this up. So very well packed, very tight. This is the accessories box, and this will be the FlySky GT2 receiver or transmitter, and that's it in the box. Great budget transmitter. The only gripe I have with it is it takes 8 AA batteries, which is a lot to me, but because it's a FlySky, I actually have a multi transmitter that I bind that holds memory up to 10. Actually, give me a second, I'll go grab that. So here's the transmitter that I am talking about, the FlySky GT3C. This binds up to 10 different, or can hold up to 10 different models. You can see the different programs I have in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and bind this to that. And what's great is because it's a FlySky system, I don't have to change the receiver in there. It'll just pair right up to here. But rechargeable battery. Don't have any issues with the range. I got this on a super great deal. I actually picked up 2 of them, I think for less than $30 each. So I was really happy about that. And I love this. And it saves me from having the 8 AA's, so I actually have a bunch of these spare ones just laying around. So yeah. But to get to the RC, let's take this out, just packaging. So well packaged, zip tied in there. You know, cardboard's flimsy, but not a big deal. And let me grab a pair of scissors. So I got the zip ties cut off, got it displayed on the box so we can get a better look at it. And to show you, let's take a look inside. So the VRX 110 series comes with a Force .18 engine. I do really like that engine a lot, but my only experience is between that and the Vertex CXP 18, which comes in the HSP. But this one's really fun. I think it's a 2.95 cc displacement versus a 2.74 cc displacement, which is the CXP. So it does make a little bit more power. The inside of this is really clean. I got used to adjusting it from the buggy, the Spirit, so I'm gonna try to do a series of how-to videos using this one right here. But we'll do throttle adjustment, brake adjustment, and I'll show you. Since only the RH1029 single speed is available, I was able to find the 2-speed gearbox and 2-speed clutch. So I'm actually going to do a how-to video on swapping the gearbox and converting this into a 2-speed nitro, which is really cool. Hearing that shift is pretty awesome. And another thing that I have on the way is an aluminum exhaust pipe that you can see I fitted to the buggy. You know, doesn't make a difference. We'll find out. You know, even if it's not performance wise, it just looks a lot cooler than this little plastic pipe. And actually this one's a bigger exhaust and a little bit longer. And the idea is, you know, every setup, even weather change, requires tuning. So throwing on the pipe is something that'll require tuning anyways, or I'll have to tune with or without the pipe. So it makes it just more fun and interesting to see how it, you know, it sounds and looks. Automatically it looks way cooler. So this is gonna get a metal pipe, a 2-speed gearbox, and I'll try to do all that on video, and of course the adjustments. I probably won't do the break-in video, just because there's a lot of great ones out there already. And yeah, I'm just super excited about it. This is your receiver battery pack housing, and that's what holds the receiver itself. And aside from that, yeah, well, let's see. I didn't get to go over it in other videos, but you can see that here, right under this throttle link, that brass screw is your low speed needle adjuster. This one right here is your high speed needle adjuster, and then this one down here is your idle screw adjuster. So that is very helpful to know. Of course, if you're ever getting into a Force 18 nitro engine. But I'll need to do the engine break-in on this, and I'll probably do the installs first, just because the engine has a fresh set of bearings for the 2-speed clutch, and I'll get everything dialed in and then run this thing, and we'll do a comparison on how this buggy turned out. And this was my very first Nitro, and went through all the beginner mistakes and things to figure out, but it's been a great lesson and a great experience, so I'm really happy. And we'll see if my newbie break-in makes any difference versus a slightly experienced or more experienced break-in that I run on the same engine. And we'll see how long they last. But anyways, this is the VRX RH1029 Rally version in Nitro, or Nitro version of the Rally car. Sorry, it's backwards. There we go. And yeah, I love the Rally cars. I have plans to run this. I was really tempted to actually get the touring car that VRX makes, you know, which is still on my mind, but I thought that I can actually convert this between a rally car and a touring car and still have a lot of fun without having to pick up the both of them. But we'll see how that goes. But I do have the buggy, the rally car. I have the 1/8 with the 2.8 force or 0.28 force engine also, that I'll do an unboxing on, and some videos on that one as well. But this one I'm really excited for because I do have some upgrades planned for it, and there's really not many upgrades you can do with the Nitros. It's really all about the tuning, which is fun. And I'll actually even do a Nitro versus electric, what's your flavor video, just doing a comparison and, you know, giving my thoughts on each class of the, you know, RCs, and where I have a lot of fun with each of them. And but yeah, this one's gonna be really exciting, and I'm getting my feet wet in Nitro and getting some experience, and so that'll only make the videos better or more helpful. All right, thanks for watching.